Morning. So last night I stayed at a truck stop area at Braxton, which is just near Maitland and Kurri. So now today I am off to Sofala Hill End, which is just north of the Bathurst region, or it is in the Bathurst region. So that trip should take me 2.5 hours, approximately. Hopefully I'll get some nice scenic shots on the way, but I'm not sure what's going on. It seems to be a bit overcast, but the weather details tell me it's supposed to be nice and fine and sunny, so it just might be just a little bit of morning fog or something that's hanging around. But anyhow, I'll get underway and see how we go today. Okay, so I've had my second pan for today, and if we can see there's three specks of gold there, if you can see them. So, better than none at all. Keep going and hopefully it gets better. Alright, just doing a couple more pans, but now kind of picked up the biggest bit of gold so far today. So I'm pretty stoked. I mean, it's pretty flat and you swash it around in the water, so it's got no weight to it anyhow, but it still looks good. I'm getting 4 or 5 specks in a pan. Here's the latest pan that I just did. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's better than getting no gold at all. So each pan I've been getting like 3, 4, 5 specks of gold, which is good. I kind of enjoy that. But from this pan, I've got the biggest piece. I've got the biggest piece so far. So I am happy with that, and frankly just enjoying myself out here on the Turon River. Alright, so I'm done for today on the creek. The sun's starting to drop pretty quickly now. So, let me just show you today's efforts. I'm kind of, I'm happy with that. You know, gold's gold. I mean, there's no weight in it or anything, but that's not the goal of it. It's just kind of enjoying it and getting, consistently getting some gold. So, yeah, so now, alright, it's time for me to start cooking some dinner. I'm not going to be one of those people that do a cooking show, camping cooking show, because frankly, it'd just be a bit ridiculous. Because really tonight all I'm doing is having some sausages, onions and tomatoes on bread. That's the extent of my cooking for tonight. So yeah, I'm going to get that going. Got some timber ready to get a campfire going. And if I get to, it's blowing a little bit. I'm just going to wait till see if the wind calms down. If it does, I'll start the fire. If not, then I'll just camp out early and watch a movie on my laptop. So if you don't hear from me again, hope you enjoyed this episode, and might see you tomorrow.